Namaste. In the previous episode, we covered 21 to 30 shlokas. Let us proceed to 31 to 40 shlokas in this episode. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshit Bhandha Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini Karangulina Kotpanna Narayana Dashakrutihi Mahapashupatastragni Nirdhagdha Surasainik Kameshwarastra Nirdhagda Sabhandha Surashunyak Brahmopendra Mahendradi Deva Samstuta Vaibhav Haranetragni Sandhagda Kama Sanjeevanaushadihi Srimadvagbhava Kutaika Swarupamukha Pankaja Kanthadakkati Paryanta Madhyakuta Swarupini Shakti Kutaikatapanna Katyadho Bhagadharini Moola Mantratmika Moolakutatraya Kalevara Kulamrutaika Rasika Kula Sanketa Palini Kulangana Kulantastha Kaulini Kula Yogini Akula Samayantastha Samayachara Tatpara Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahmagrandhi Vibedini Manipuranta Rudita Vishnugrandhi Vibedini Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudragrandhi Vibedini Sahasraram Bhujarudha Sudasara Vivarshini Tatillata Samaruchi Shatchakro Parisamstita Mahashakti Kundalini Bisatantu Taniyasi Harihi Om